I'm standing next to a pop-up bike lane in Berlin, set up by authorities here so that riders can safely get to and from work in times of coronavirus distancing. This particular street in trendy Kreuzberg used to be a very busy intersection, dangerous to riders. Now they have a lot more space. There used to be cars parked along the side of the road here for hundreds of yards, and now there are thank you notes posted from riders who are happy about the additional space. Not everyone is happy though. Car clubs have complained that authorities are taking away much needed street space, and today traffic was moving slowly already. Subways and buses are running, but people are uncomfortable cramming into these tight spaces, so the lanes are a welcome addition.